Okay, guys, let's look. Today we're going to review multiplying by what?
4.
Multiplying by 4. When we multiply by 4, Amy, what do we count by? We count by 4s. Let's count by 4s. Are you guys ready? Eyes up here.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48.
Okay.
And the next one's 52.
And the next one would be 52. How do you know the next one would be 52?
Because I counted up 4.
You counted up 4. 48 plus 4 would be what?
52.
52. Okay, eyes up here. Uh-oh. It's okay. It's right here. Everybody turn around and I want to hear you singing along with it.
When I multiply two numbers, I'm on it. The answer is called the product. So 4 times 2, the product is 8. What do? I play games. I have 6 board games in each room. And in my house, there are 4 rooms. You might like board games, but I have more because 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 is probably bored. Cause 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is running late. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3, do you need some help?
4 times 3?
4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is kinda mean. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5, we're not ending. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is just for more. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7, hold up, you better wait. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 sticks like glue. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is up in the mix. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10, now I'm at a party. 4 times 10 is 40.
What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man. I play games, man. What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man. I play games, man.
4 times 7 is
What is it?
28. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24.
You got it.
What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man. I play games, man. What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man. I play games, man. What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man. I play games, man. What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man. I play games, man. What do I do when I get home from school? I play games, man.
Okay. So, did you guys enjoy that? Okay. Let's look. Today what we're going to do, we are going to do a multiplication sheet to practice our times 4. Also, at the end of our math lesson today, I'm going to be giving everyone times 4 flashcards. Now these flashcards are cards that you can fold. We will cut them apart. You're going to fold them so it will have the problem on one side, and then it will have the
In second grade, the library is now back open.
it will have. We're not going right now. We're not going right now. And it has the answer on the other side, so that way someone can hold up 4 times 8, but the answer's on the other side. What is another word for the word answer? No. Product. Close. You said problem. It's product. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. What is the answer to a subtraction problem called?
Difference.
Difference. And then the answer to a multiplication problem is
Product.
product. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to get these at the end of our lesson. And then I'm going to give you a Ziploc bag. Everyone's going to get their own little sandwich bag. And then your flashcards are going to go inside that. And you can carry these home to practice. You can keep them in your binder to practice. You can take them out if you have any extra time in class. We can work together and we can practice. Because we know that what? Practice makes progress. The more, okay, it makes progress. The more that we practice, the better we get. Okay, so let's see. Ava, yes, it is.
Just look up there.
Okay, this first one, we're really going to do together, okay? We are going to do this first sheet together.
Okay.
But you got to be paying attention. So right along the side of your paper, right there on that rim, just like last week, when we counted by 3s, right? So we want to practice counting by 4s this week so we can remember it. And that can help us when we start multiplying by 4s. So when we start doing our fact sheets and everything else. So let's look. How does it go? 4, 8, 12, 16. So let's do this together. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. 20, 24, 28. Do it. 20, 24, 28. 32, 36. 32, 36. 40, 44, 48. 40, 44, 48. Okay, so let's look. Write these numbers on the side of your multiplication sheet. Give me a thumbs up when you're finished writing all of those numbers down one side. Not on the blanks. Just writing them. I mean, look, you can even write them right down the middle. See that blank space right there in the middle?
I'm done. You don't have to say you're done.
Okay. Pencils in the air when you're finished. Kason?
Do we need to put 52?
No. Okay, look at that. Very good. Good job, AJ. Now, let's look at the very first column. Everybody pay attention because I'm not going to be writing these on the board. Okay, what does it say? What's the very first problem? 4 times 5. Now, guys, we know that we've already done multiplying times 5. 4 times 5 is the same thing as saying 5 times 4. You can take those two numbers and you can switch them up and it's still the same problem. So our problem says 4 times 5. What is 5 times 4?
20.
20. So what are you going to write down on the first problem, Ivan? 20. Now, 6 times 4. If we know that 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 4 more. What is it?
24.
24. Okay, the next one says 3 times 4. 3 times 4, we did that last week. 3 times 4 and 4 times 3 is the same problem. What's 3 times 4? Drake. 12. Everybody got that? Now 7 times 4. The very second problem said 6 times 4. What did we say 6 times 4 is? 24. Well, if 6 times 4 is 24, then 7 times 4 is 4 more. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, the next one says 4 times 12. 48. Right here. Look, if we know that 4 times 10, Caden, is 40, 4 times 11 is 44. We know that, right? So add 4 more to it. What's 4 times 12? 48. Okay, the next one, 4 times 9. Look, I want to show you this. If we know that 4 times 10 is 40, and we want to find out what 4 times 9 is, we're not going to add 4 to it. We're going to go back 4, right? Because we know what 4 times 10 is. Now we want to go back, and what's 4 times 9? Go back. 40, then there's 39, 38, 37, 36. So 4 times 9 is 36. The next problem says 4 times 1. We know that. What's 4 times 1? 4 times 1 is 4. Very good. Okay. 9 times 4. We just did that. 4 times 9 and 9 times 4 is the same problem. It has the same product. What's the product? 36. Very good. Okay, 4 times 6. We've already done 6 times 4. 4 times 6 and 6 times 4 are both what? 24. Fantastic. Now the last one, 10 times 4. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What is it? 4 times 10. 40. 40. Okay, next column going down. Let's look at it. We've already done all those. Okay, you'll just have to catch up, Story. Sorry. Okay, raise your hand if you were on that second column. Okay. What is that very first problem? 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Now 4 times 8. If we know that 4 times 9 is 36, go back 4 more. It is 32. 0 times 4
is 0.
Why? How do you know? Woo! Let's do that together.
Anything times 0 is always 0.
Good job. Okay, 5 times 4. We've already done this. 5 times 4 is 20. You're sitting there not paying attention. No, you're not. Okay, 2 times 4. What's 2 times 4? 8. Okay, next one, Gord. Wait till I call it the problem. You guys are ready, but wait. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, what is 4 times 10? 40. 4 times 10 is 40. What is 11?
44.
11 times 4.
44.
Okay, if we know that 10 times 4 is 40, add 4 more to it. 40 plus 4 equals 44. 4 times 11 is 44. Because remember, 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is